Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a vlog in the car video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick video. I finished recording this, which is the Anasi Naturals. All I did was twist. I use all Anasi Natural products. I did a video on that. I am still editing the Eden Body Works Almond Marshmallow and I keep forgetting it. Camille Rose Lavender Crush Defining Cream video. No. Crush Defining Gel, y'all. I'm still editing that video. Then I gotta edit the video I just did, and now I have this video which I'm gonna have to edit. But y'all, I'm rolling though. Like I'm getting the videos out between my videos, my community posts, and my YouTube shorts, y'all. I'm getting them. The last thing I gotta get on point though is them live streams. It's always something with the live stream. I try to do a live stream from my laptop. No sound and volume. I do them from my phone and it goes okay. But because they pop up, I really don't have that many people in the live stream and it just end up being like a regular video. So, but y'all, look, I'm gonna work on that. The reason why I'm doing this video is just to tell y'all, so I am not a vegetarian, y'all. I eat meat, I eat red meat, I eat poultry, I eat seafood, I eat meat products. But I am having the hardest time finding a good source for, let me turn this off because I don't need this. But I'm having a hard time finding a good source for beef, for my beef meat. I know y'all saw the news and all of the stories about the lab grown meat and all that kind of stuff, y'all, and I'm not down. I am not for that. At the same time, I'm not ready to give up all meat. Now, if push came to shove, I really think I could give up all meat except for seafood, y'all. I gotta have my seafood. So I'm on my way to this local grocery store that is supposedly known for having a good fresh meat section. Beef specifically, like steaks and all that kind of stuff. And y'all, tell me this, do you buy boneless beef? When you buy beef, do you buy boneless or do you buy with a bone in it? Now for me, I buy with a bone in it because in my mind that helps me to know that it really is beef. Now I know, y'all, I know that they making meat now and like making meat and meat products and like attaching it to bone to make it seem like real meat. Like, I know all that, y'all, but this is where I'm at. I buy meat with the bone in it, and not just beef, like my chicken, all that kind of stuff. I want the bone in it because in my mind, like I said, it helped me to at least feel like it's real meat. Now look at this. I need to get over, y'all. Y'all know the deal with me always. I be having to get over, y'all, and these cars don't be wanting to let me get over. I had to do a little Tesla acceleration on them, and I'm gonna get over. I always do, y'all. I always do. Anyway, so I'm on my way to this grocery store, and I'm really hoping that they have some good cuts of steak and beef meat. I've tried 2 local grocery stores so far, all which have supposedly, have been known for having good steaks. And every store I've gone to has been a little bit better than the store before. But I'm hoping that this grocery store is even better. I am really looking for a local butcher, but there does not appear to be butcher shops in my vicinity, in my area. Now, if I go farther north or if I go farther east, there are butcher shops, but I'm trying to find something where I don't have to drive 20 miles or pretty much go to a ranch to get good cuts of beef. I have ordered portions of beef before and cut them myself. Like, I'm known for buying tenderloins and cutting my own filet mignon. Ooh, y'all, you can't tell me nothing. I cuts them up like a chef. When I was in Hawaii, yes, and I pretty much could compare almost anything to Hawaii. When I was in Hawaii, I had a butcher, and the place, I mean, it was magnificent. This butcher, y'all, the cows were so fresh that they were hanging on the hook in the store. Okay, so we talking about that fresh. You saw exactly the cows that your meat was cut off of, you know, whatever. They sliced good beef bacon. Oh my goodness, beef bacon. Their beef was so good. How good was it? Their beef was so good that they used to slice it thin, and we used to eat it raw right in the store. Yes, I said it. Raw, red beef meat. Oh, y'all, wait. I got a call. I got to take this. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Click the notifications bell. Until next time, be safe, be well, be blessed. And I'm going to follow up with y'all on this meat purchase. Y'all, I had to come back right quick and add this to the video. So, as I said in this video, I'm looking for a good butcher. I'm looking for a good grocery store with real beef steaks with a bone in. I don't know what's going on with either consumers just want beef with no bones, or these businesses, stores, whatever, they just doing all of the cuts of beef with no bones. So the grocery store I went to, it was a bust. They did have steaks with bones in them, but so they let me down. I had heard all about how this grocery store had the best, you know, steaks, chicken, you know, beef, everything. But I think they mostly talking about like marinated meats to prepare dishes. I think that's what they mean when they say that. But I'm talking about rare, raw cuts of beef. Not really rare, but raw. It seemed like it's rare, but raw cuts of beef is what I'm looking for. So I went to that grocery store. That was a bust. And then I went to Costco because I haven't been to Costco in I don't know how long. And that membership costs money. So I went there to see what they had. From my memory, I figure all of Costco's beef cuts are boneless, and I was right. Except I think they had like oxtail, whatever, and of course they have bone in it, but that wasn't what I was looking for. So Costco was a bust. I did buy some stuff from there. But y'all, on the way home, right as I'm coming down the block to pull into my driveway, what do I see? Y'all, why is one of them steak trucks? You know the trucks like where the people sell the steaks and the meat and all that stuff off the truck? Passing right in front of my house, y'all. But by the time I really looked up and saw the truck and realized what it was, you know, all this time the truck is passing me up. And I didn't get the name or the website or the whatever. I think I saw part of the name, but not all of it. But I'm going to do some Yelp searches or some online searches or whatever. And I'm going to try to find out, you know, the truck, the company or whatever. Maybe they have some good steaks. But y'all, I'm looking for grass-fed, grass-finished beef cuts with the bone in it. But I just thought that was funny, y'all. All the time I've been driving around and stuff all day, going to grocery stores and stuff, looking for a butcher, looking for good cuts of beef. And then right there in front of my house, y'all, the steak truck. Yes, indeed.